back to my channel, guys. If you're just joining us, my name is Mayowa. If you can remember, in my last video I talked about doing a tutorial on how to draft a circle skirt pattern. So yeah, today I've decided to do a tutorial on it today. So instead of a single piece circle skirt, I've decided to switch it around into being a 3-tiered full circle skirt. So let's move on with it. So to start with, the first thing we are going to be doing is to draw a line right here. So I'm just going to draw a line right here to create a border. So the significance of the line is just to serve as a border for my pattern. So I'm just going to measure 3 cm. So yeah, I'm going to come right here and divide this line into 2. So I've located the middle point of my line right here. Now I'm going to start measuring on this line. I'll measure my circle radius, and then to get my circle radius, there's an equation for that, which is your waist. You convert your waist measurements to cm minus 5 divided by 6. That is your waist in cm minus 5 divided by 6. So if my waist measurement is 20 inches, I'll just add 1 inch seam allowance to that, which gives me 21. I'll subtract by 5, then I'll divide by 6. So I have 7.92. So I'm just going to measure that round. Then I'll just add like ½ inch allowance up here. Now, since my circle skirt is a 3-tiered skirt, you need to decide how long you want your skirt to be. So let's assume the length of my the length of the fullness of my skirt is 12 inches, and since I have like a 3-tiered skirt, because since it's a 3-tiered skirt, you divide the 12 by 3. If the tiered skirt is into 4, if it's a 4-tiered skirt, you divide by 4. If it's a 2-tiered skirt, you divide by 2. So for me, it's a 3-tiered skirt. So I'm just going to divide that 12 inches by 3. So that gives me 4 inches. So 4 inches will be the first tier of my skirt. So I'm just going to measure the 4 inches like this. So ignore this part of this. So I'm just going to connect this. Now the next, let's call this the first tier. This is our circle radius. So you can add an allowance, fold allowance here, 1 inch fold allowance. Now the next thing is to draft the second tier. So the first tier, remember, is 4 inches. So the next tier would be what? 8 inches. So you measure 8 inches like this. From here, you measure 8 inches. And we'll call this the second tier. Then you add your allowance, 1 inch allowance. Now the third tier would be 12 inches. So this is 4 inches, 8 inches, 12 inches. So I'll measure 12 inches from this point here down. Then you add your 1 inch fold allowance. So we'll call this the third tier. Please remember to use a French curve when connecting your curves, so that you will have a smooth curve instead of this wonky ones here. So yeah, that's the end of making this full-on circle skirt. So yeah, I'm just going to make this little symbol here. Whenever you see this, you know that this pattern will be cut on fold. So it means when you want to cut this out of your fabric, you fold this part out. I already mentioned that this part is not needed in this pattern. I only drew this line as a sort of border line. So you can fold this part inside, then you place your fabric on fold to cut it. So when you cut it, you have a full circle. You can see this is a semicircle. So when you place this on your fabric on fold, that it means you are cutting two at once. So it forms like a full-on circle. This is half of a circle right here. So when you place it on the fabric on fold, you have a full-on circle skirt. So I'm just going to cut this right out just so you can see. So yeah, if you want just one single piece of circle skirt, all you have to do is just cut this out like this, and you have just one single piece of circle skirt. But since we are doing a three-tiered skirt, since we are doing a three-tiered skirt, because I don't intend to waste my paper, what I will do when I'm cutting it is to cut my third tier. I'll place this on my fabric first, then I'll cut my third tier first. When I'm done cutting my third tier, I'll cut this out. I'll cut the third tier out, and then I'll go right ahead to cut my second tier. So when I'm done cutting my second tier on the fabric, I cut this part right out. I'll cut the second tier right out, and then I'll cut my first tier. Please remember to place your fabric on fold when you are cutting this, so you have the front and back cut together as a full circle skirt. And let me just show you what this is going to look like on a little scrap of fabric. So yeah, this is what your skirt should look like when you are done cutting. See, this is my first tier. This is the full-on circle I was talking about. This is it as it is on the pattern. If you place your pattern here, you place your fabric on fold, on fold, on fold. So you have like a full circle. So this is my first tier. This is my second tier. My second tier. You can see it has varying lengths. And this is my third tier. Please excuse the fan. So you can see they have the same waist measurements but different lengths. Just look at it. And this is what your circle skirt should look like. Just imagine this. So when you're sewing this, you place them all together at the waist like this. So you place them all together at the waist like this. You make sure the waists, all of the three waists align. Then you burst it together as a straight stitch. And this is what I wish I had the mini mannequin, although I'm trying to get one. So this is what let me turn off the fan so you can see. So yeah, this is what your full circle skirt should look like. Just look at this. So if you are trying to sew, what you do, because you need to fix a zipper, what you do is to cut it. So you cut it right here. Place all the waists together and make sure they both align. Then you cut it at one side here. So yeah, this is what it is. All you have to do is to join it together here. This place that we have cut open, you join it together here. You leave a bit of space up here for the zipper, and then you fix your waistband here. For a tutorial on how to fix a skirt zipper and also how to fix your waistband on your skirt, please check my video tutorial on how to make a pencil skirt, or the video should be scrolling through your screen right now, but if it is not, please check the description box for a link to that video. So that's basically all there is to know about how to make a full circle skirt, because there are 3 different types of circle skirts. There is the full skirt, which is this one. There is a half circle skirt, and there is a quarter circle skirt. The half circle skirt is not as full as this. The quarter skirt is not even as full as the half circle skirt. So this is a full circle skirt, and they all have different equations for making them. But to make this full circle skirt, all you have to do is just follow the guidelines I laid out in this tutorial, and that's all there is to it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, so you don't miss any of my upcoming exciting videos. Until next time, bye.